So guys, nasa ano ko dito, yung tabi ko dito is yung malaki kong luggage. Yan yung check-in luggage ko, and yung isa dyan, yun yung dinala namin kanina, so it's full of stuff right now. So, ang binili ko, wait, is it alright? Okay. Yeah, I feel like this is better. So, bumili ako sa IKEA ng ganito. It looks so cute. IKEA, the same. So, so there was this promo. This is the 0.4L and 1L na ano. This is buy 3 for $10, and yung isa naman dito is 1.2L and 1.5L. It's buy 3 for $12. So, of course, nag-isang set ako, and yeah, I bought it. Tapos yung prickly heat, oo lang ako ng oo nung tinanong sa akin if sigurado bang 9 lang. Sabi ko, oo. I mean, yes. It's, yeah, ganun. Tapos, oh my gosh, bakit 9 lang kinuha ko? 10 dapat eh, pero okay lang yan. That's fine. It's alright. Tapos, this one naman. This is like what they use kapag take away yung drink mo. Parang sa Thailand, yung parang string siya. Parang pang drinks siya na plastic. Pang drinks siya na plastic. Pero may string siya na parang bag. Tapos dun mo nilalagay. It's like food grade. Ganon. Not sure. Okay. It's definitely not that clean. Not that organized. Pero i-organize pa lang tomorrow. Tapos ito, it's Crep Protect. Binili ko to for my shoes nung like mga second week ako na andito sa Singapore. Like, I bought this kasama yung Asics shoes ko. I got Asics GT 2600. Yeah, I think it's correct. I got this sa Chinatown. This is like 3 for 10 ulit. It's a steal. And this is when I bought my Lululemon nung pinakaunang gala ko. Where I also lost a lot of money dun sa Dobby Got because hindi talaga ako magaling pumili ng mga blind box. Kasi bumili ako ng Miffy blind box. Tapos, oh my gosh, it was not worth it. Kasi, yung ano doon is like, what? Hindi ko nagustuhan yung color, tsaka pangit na pala. Ito naman, for ulam. This is for ulam. Yeah, I bought 5 of these. It's originally $2.60. Tapos, yun, naging 2 nung pumunta ko. So, yeah, definitely a steal. So, I bought 5. And bago pa lang siya. Hindi ko alam if bago to, pero first time ko lang nakita. So, I bought 2. And nakikita ko to sa TikTok shop. Tapos, so bumili ako ng 4. Pero naubos ko na yung isa, so 3 na lang meron. So, nakita ko to sa TikTok shop. And then sabi ko, oh my gosh, but 150, 140? 150, I'm not sure how much it is. I think it's 150. So, 150 lang siya. Ang mura kasi, yung price na nakikita ko sa TikTok is like 200 ata para sa isang ganito. So, if estimate natin, 150 SGD to PHP is like like 60, 70 lang. It's so cheap. And this is an Oreo soft cake. First time ko rin na makita, so yeah, I bought it for snacks. And the first time ko rin to makita is Ferrero Rocher Moments. It's not the big na ganon. It's just like a candy na ano. I was curious, so I bought it. I opened it on impulse para lang makita yung actual size niya. Pero then I was met with this one. Parang, yeah. So, I definitely opened that for nothing. Alangan, bubuksan ko na yun. Oh my gosh, dapat sa bahay ko na ito bubuksan. So, guys, ano pang next? Oops, yeah. So, guys, I thought this was Nutella. Tas, nakita ko Hanuta. Hazelnut schnitz. Yeah. Pero it looks delicious. So, yeah. Plus points. Pero I really thought that was a different kind of like Nutella. And then I bought Milka Oreo. Kasi I really love Milka. Kasi super sarap niya, promise. Minsan parang mas masarap siya sa Cadbury. Then, tapos, I bought a lot of these nice salt na for parang cough drops ata to. Hindi ko sure. Pero kanina nung pumunta kami sa Lucky Plaza ulit sa Value Dollar is bumili ulit ako ng marami. Like nag-hoard ako ulit. I bought 5 of these. Tapos doon, hindi ko sure kung ilan ulit yung binili ko. Tapos I bought Twix. It's like, oh yeah, Twix miniatures. Tapos Chupa Chups tongue painter. And some Toblerone. 2. Yeah, so off to the next luggage. Whoops. Oh my gosh, ang bigat. Feel ko talaga to. Feel ko talaga ma-over baggage. Okay. So ito, parang hati kami ng space natin. Oops, yeah. Yeah, so yung nasa labas, ito yung akin. Tapos yung nasa loob sa kanya. Ating, sa'yo to, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ilagay mo na dun sa supot niya.
Huh? Doon? Okay.
Tsaka yung para...
Okay. So,
Pero yung laman sa kabilang mo nang tanggalin mo na.
sige lang ate. Pinapakita ko lang. Okay, so, bumili ako ng Skippy na... Yeah. So, So, bumili ako ng Skippy na peanut butter wafer cones. This looks good. Pero dun sa isang Value Dollar, parang namamahalan ako. Tapos nakita ko, oh my gosh, $1 lang. Ay, go! Diba? Tapos, ang rami kong biniling ganito. Wait, let me count it. Sakit! Wait. Okay. Okay, so, super rami kong binili ng ganito na nararamihan na ako dito Alam ko na hindi gaano, pero I'm thinking of my baggage. Since marami rin akong dilalang damit since 2 months ako dito. You know, so I bought like, this is like $1. Is $1 each. So it's like a steal. Kasi di ba atin 90 pesos to no, yung Pocky. So I bought milky matcha. And then strawberry. And then crushed nuts. Almond noir chocolate. Oh my gosh, I feel okay. This looks appetizing. But I'm not really into nuts because it sticks to my brackets and it's super hard to get off. So this one naman, it's crushed fruits, strawberry peach yogurt. This looks appetizing. I wish I bought a lot more of these, but yeah. And this is cookies and cream. So then we are off tiramisu, tiramisu and cappuccino. I do not know if masarap to. Pero yung truffle, yung ganito na truffle, masarap daw talaga yung brand. Ate, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Recommended ang truffle na brand. So, guys, look, super duper dami kong biniling ganito. Parang cough drops kasi siya. Kung ano na talaga, isang buong box ko talaga binili. Kasi it was so cheap. Dun sa isang value dollar, it was like 1.5. Ay, yeah. Sa isang value dollar, parang 1.05. Pero dun sa nakita ko, it was just 80 cents. What? So yeah, I bought a lot. Like, really a lot. And I bought Kit Kat. Kasi super hilig namin sa Kit Kat eh. It was like 3 for 10 ulit. Tapos ito, na ano lang ako kasi mini treats. Siguro kakasya ko na to sa sa iba mong friends. Parang gagawin ko sila ng loot bag. And na-curious ako dito sa Milo na parang Oreo. Milo Oreo? Huh? Yeah, that's it. How did I organize it? I think, hindi ko na lang ilalagay sa plastic. Bukas na natin lahat ayusin.
Oo.
Yeah. So, kanina, guys, may kwento ko sa'yo. Tinanong ko if pwedeng hiramin yung cart. Sabi niya, hindi pwede. Yun lang. Nasasaktan lang ako kasi nagdagdag ako ng 5 cents para lang doon. Hiramin ko lang yung cart. Parang di naman kami nagbabalik. Pero okay lang. Mas maganda talaga pag Pilipino yung cashier. Tatagalugin mo lang. Sige. Mga best friend. Hopefully, ano talaga, like, super ano talaga. Basta yun, hindi ka ma-explain. Okay na siya. Meron pa ako dun sa loob. It's, wait, this is here ba? Oh, okay. Yeah, so, di ba, yung binili ko yung tatlong bag na, 3 for 10. Ito yung nakuha ko. So, kumuha ko ng isang fridge magnet. And, ito yung nakuha kong free for liking their Facebook page. Yeah. Na ano ko to sa isang vlog ko eh. It looks really cute. So, yeah. Kudos. So, this is the JD bag. And it looks so good. Look. Tapos, drawstring siya. So, you can just go and ganunin yun. So, you can carry it easier. So, yeah. Yun lahat yung binili ko. Well, not exactly lahat. Pero, yun yung mga pasalubong na yung iba para sa akin, yung iba para sa kanila. It just depends on my mood. But super saya talagang gumastos ng pera. Ang saya talaga, guys. Like, parang therapy. Uy! Di talaga natin mabiblame. Kasi, ang sarap talaga gumastos ng pera. Basta huwag mo na lang tignan yung bank account mo. Huwag mo na lang tignan talaga. Basta hindi ka nakakapatay, it's alright. Yes. So, yeah. Okay. Guys, oh my gosh. So guys, yun po yung binili ko ng whole trip ko dito. Well, not really lahat kasi may iba pa sa room, tsaka may iba pa dun sa shoe rack. Pero yun lahat.